Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the application was unable to start correctly application error code 0xc00005 on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we can click on this show hidden icons or the system tray in your taskbar and click on the Windows security icon. Now you can try to disable your antivirus. Click on virus and threat protection. You'll find virus and threat protection settings. Simply turn off the real-time protection. And if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares, like in my case I'm using Malwarebytes, just simply disable that temporarily. Make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes. Then for the next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP, click on OK. And you have to delete everything from here by clicking Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all. Then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. And then you have to close this window and again press the Windows key and letter R button together again, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select run. Then here you need to type percentage TEMP percentage. Then you have to click on OK. The same thing, click on one folder and press Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all the items. Then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of these files will be deleted because they are used by some programs on your Windows and that is totally fine. Then again, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. This time you need to type prefetch. Click on OK. And you also have to delete everything from here. Click on continue. And once done, then you just need to simply close this window. Then for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and we can do a system restore. Type here RSTRUI. Run command, click on that. And this will open the system restore window. Click on choose a different restore point. Click on next. Just simply choose from here. Click on next. And then you have to click on finish. And that will restart your Windows. So you just need to wait for that. Then for the next method is you can also run the system file checker scan to fix and check any system corrupted files. So type CMD in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here simply type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. Now the verification process will begin. So what you will do is you just need to wait for the process to be 100% done, then close out of here. Then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.